A love of learning can mean the difference between whether somebody spends their lives on benefits or becomes a valued, contributing member of society. Please help us to protect the funding for adult learning in Wales.
I was a successful businesswoman, but when war broke out in my home country, I was left with nothing. I came to Britain as a refugee. I had no money and I could not speak English. Learning helped me to find a new life and face the future with hope. Please protect the funding for adult learning in Wales.
I and many of my friends are involved in classes in IT, Tai Chi, knitting, crocheting and photography at the Arc in Swansea. The classes keep us mentally active and physically fit. Without these classes, none of us would be here. It wouldn't be possible. We'd be housebound. So please protect the funding of adult learning in Wales. Thank you.
I was homeless for 9 months. I was given the opportunity to do some courses for music technology and website design, which gave me a lot of confidence to go forward. For some, it's as simple as learning basic skills and numeracy. Also, there are projects which give people a new focus and a new direction in life. So please protect the funding for adult education in Wales.
My job is to engage with young people and adults through the mostly deprived areas in South Wales. I have helped 1,200 people this year. 10% have moved into employment, 12% have moved into further education, 40% have accessed further training. There's nobody I meet who doesn't want to better their lives, who doesn't want to turn their life around. Please protect the funding for adult learning in Wales.
Mae gen I anableddau llusog, a hoffwn I ddweud, fant o gymorth dysgu oedolion yn rhoi I fi. Dwi ddim yn gallu gweithio ac oherwydd fy anabledd, doim yn ysig gartref. Felly, dwi'n mynd i'r dosbarthiau I gwrdd a gwneud ffrindiau. Dysgu yn rhoi gobaith I fi ar gyfer gwerth difyddol. Felly, os gwelwch yn dda, am ddifyn y cyllid ar gyfer dysgu oedolion yn Nghymru, diolch am randdio I fi.